There you go. Bring another table. I got 2 pots. Look at it. Look. Two tables. Let's go. Let's get it. What's up? We're gonna dock this boat. They're just gonna put it right up to this one and tie a rope. We're gonna go on their boat like pirates and we're gonna take all their food. With Moy from the Parkin boat. Morning, Moy.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you.
Hello. So this boat, as you see, there's the access to the rooms on the outside. Let's go explore this boat, guys.
So normally we put these 2 chairs here.
So these 2 chairs go right here. So those were twin cabins. They got 10 of those cabins. This right here is the suite in the Pottery cruise ship. As you can see, very nice and spacious. Got statues, they got a big bed, lounge chair, balcony right here. That right there, that's the boat we're at. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Look at the shower. So the maximum guest on this ship is 52. Sink, toilet, there's a shower. And that right there, that's the mid-level room. So this is the sun deck right here on this ship. As you can see, very nice. You can sunbathe up here, enjoy the weather, get a drink. This right here, guys, this is the bar. Got plenty of seating, got plenty of drinks. Nice little tour of that other boat. But you know, this boat's better.
Pretty good. How about yours? Good?
Good morning, Lance. Good morning. Yandabo. Thank you. This village just got electricity last year. They've been making pots for 200 years already. See these pots right here? That one costs about 30 cents and that one costs about 70 cents. A family can make about 20 of them a day.
This pottery is about over 100 years old. Most of the women shape the pots. Most of the men sit here, push the paddle to spin the wheel.
It's a team.
Right?
It's a team.
She became a teacher because the salary was very low.
So that process right there where they take the mallet and beat the pot, that actually makes the pot thinner and bigger. And after that, they put the pot out in the sun and let it dry for 1 day. So that right there, that's a no-need tree. Little potato-looking thing, smell like blue cheese.
With a little bit of honey. This is a traditional herbal medicine also.
Oh, that's not blue cheese.
Blue cheese.
Oh, I know.
So right now we're about to enter the monastery. Ooh, ice cream. Mukbang time. How to edit videos with Kara. And I'm the only one that didn't bring a computer. That's how prepared I am. You brought one though. Should I copy up you?
I just didn't know how like detailed to be. I'm gonna be super detailed if I reflect.
Good job, Kara.
So now the way that you earn frequent flyer miles with most American.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our tea leaf and ginger salad demonstration. This is our salad chef. Actually, his name is Myanmar, right? So please give up for Mr. Myanmar. So we're going to show you how to make tea leaf salad. First, pickled tea, shredded cabbages, fried garlic, and roasted sesame, fried mung bean peanuts. So some of the place they add.
Alright guys, I'm gonna dig into this tea leaf salad.
That's what when you taste.
Let's see.
Pickled tea, just the pickled tea. The taste is kind of, how can I say the taste like this? You cannot express what kind of tea it is.
It tastes
actually.
like tea leaf with split bean, with roasted peanut, with garlic, with sesame, with lime juice,
salad,
with vegetables, chili, tomato, cabbage, garlic, and shrimp. And it also tastes like I just read that from right here.
So I hope you enjoy tea leaf salad, right? So I'm going to give the floor to Al. He's going to show you how to make ginger salad.
So thank you very much, and I hope every single one of you enjoyed tea leaf salad. How was it?
Good.
Good, very good, right? Yeah. One from Myanmar. So I'm gonna present about the ginger salad. It is not a very well-known salad. The salad chef, he already put 2 or 3 spoons of peanut oil into the bowl already, and then now he is taking the ginger, sliced ginger, minced ginger, into the bowl, the fried mung beans, garlics, and then the third ingredient is a mix of every beans and peanuts, roasted sesame, and afterwards fried peanuts, fried chickpeas of salt sprinkled. Once you try,
We got
do you
that
like
ginger
it?
salad. Gonna just enjoy the views, have some drinks, enjoy the good people. We got a boat full of good people over here, and we're having a good time, y'all. All right, peace. Come on, let me get a thumbnail so I get some views. There we go.
Whoa!
Oh.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, that was good enough. Yeah, that was
You
good
might
enough.
get demonetized.
There is a local dance group that usually on this night comes on the boat and does similar stuff to the dance that the guy was doing in the with the umbrella.
That's a nice move, Nate.
How's the dance go again? We want to see it again.
That's a nice move. Yeah.
Yeah.
We just wanted to make videos. We weren't trying to impress anyone. We were having fun. So if you're picking up vlogging or doing any kind of videoing, just keep trying trying. Like, keep going. Don't get bent out of shape because there are people out there that are better, because there's always going to be better people. And I just feel like people go out into it thinking like it's only going to take, you know, a week and then you'll be a YouTuber, but don't do it for other people, like do it for yourself. I know it sounds cheesy. Just don't give up. That's all.
Yay.